While there are 11 recognized Garifuna dance genres, the following are among the most popular. The Hüngühüngü is usually it's a spiritual dance, which we often do in the temple, or if not in the temple center, we put it to just welcome the ancestors, to honor them, to remember them. We usually do a Hüngühüngü at the beginning of a festivity or somewhere in the midst. Then we do a paranda. A paranda is a social dance, usually accompanied by a guitar. Very mellow. You sway. Whine a little bit. Then you have chumba. Chumba is a solo woman dance where they're dancing and then they're stimulating the different chores that we do in our home. So that's a chumba, like a miming dance. Then we have the also favorite, Punta. How many people have heard of Punta in here? Punta. Now, have you heard of traditional Punta or Punta twerking? What do you see on YouTube? Punta twerking, right? When they're always doing all that. That's Punta twerking. Traditional Punta is about your feet. That is not our original name for that dance. The original name is Landani and Bandigi Garifuna in Arawak language and Garifuna in Heron language. The Spanish people coined the term punta because when they saw the Garifuna people dance, we always pointed our toes in the direction we were dancing. So that's why they called it punta, because of the way our toes were pointed.